Hello guys, I'm Herman. In today's video, I'm going to show you a project that I just made. This is an IoT based blood pressure machine. So this is a machine that you are able to send a text message to, and then it will automatically start the blood pressure monitor, which we have here, to get the blood pressure. And then after the blood pressure is gotten, it will automatically send it to the person who requested for the blood pressure via SMS. And also we have a Bluetooth device on this machine which is used to send the blood pressure to an IoT based application. So let me show you how I made this machine. First of all, this is the power supply that I used to power this thing. We have two power supplies for this machine. The first one being the power supply for this device, which is called the Gsm Module. So this is the device responsible for sending the text message after it was acquired from the blood pressure machine. So in this device we have a SIM card, which we have it in here, and then we have a Bluetooth device. This Bluetooth device connects to an application, to an Android application that we made, that will automatically get the blood pressure device and then sends it out on an online application for maybe a doctor to see. And then this device right here is powered by a 3 volt battery. So you have it here. So we have 3 volt battery being inserted in this little space. But in this case, we are powering this device with a 3.3 volt from the Arduino board. So right here on the device, you see that we have an LCD, which is a liquid crystal display, which display all the parameters after the blood pressure parameters are already read. So we have it mounted on this small shield that you can see right here. This one was made by us. And right here you have the Arduino board, which is the Arduino Uno. You see on this device right here, with this one right here is the I2C level shifter. So you know this, the Arduino board is 5 volt and the blood pressure meter is 3.3 volts. And since we are connecting this blood pressure meter to the Arduino via the I2C bus, we had to convert the voltage levels from 5 volt to 3.3 volt to make the two devices compatible and avoid destroying this one with high voltages. So we have this button right here in case we don't want to use a send text message to get the blood pressure all the time. We just have to press this button, or better still press this button on the blood pressure machine itself. So with all this said, I think that we are ready to do a small demonstration. So let's assemble everything back the way it was. So we are going to plug back the LCD to where it is supposed to be. Okay, this is well done. So what we do now is that we're going to connect the Gsm module power supply, and then we are going to plug in the secondary power for the Arduino board. So there we have it. As you can see right here, we have this error message. I believe this is electrical power error. You know, we are not powering this device with the normal batteries, so that's why I believe this message is coming up, which EPER, which stands for electrical power error. Let's cancel that. So we are going to put in the blood pressure monitor on my hand. So what I'm going to do now is that, since we have everything already set up, I'm going to use my phone now to send the command. So I think mine is start, so I'm going to forward it back there. So just send it. As you can see right there, the command has been received, and then the controller sent the command to the blood pressure monitor, and now the air has been pumped. So as you can see right there, the measurement has been collected, and now the device is sending a message to my phone. So you see right here, you have the blood pressure has been sent to my phone. You see my systolic is 113, my diastolic is 87, and the heart rate is 56. Well, that's not my blood pressure actually, because I'm not following the rules to take blood pressure. So for this test, this is what we have. So you can see right there. So another thing that could be done with this device is that we could send requests to get the parameters from the blood pressure machine using this Bluetooth application. This is not what we're going to use for the project, but for now, for the testing, we're going to use this one. So we type install, and then we send it. So you see it receives it immediately, and then comes the cuff. So you see that we have the SMS that came in through GSM. So we're just going to delete this one, and then we focus our mind on this. So we have this data in the JSON format is going to be sent to our Android application, which will be interpreted. I don't know how, so I'm just going to send this one to the application, which is going to be interpreted and displayed for a further study. So this is it. So we have two means of getting these parameters out. We have the Bluetooth method and we have the GSM method. So this is it about this project. I don't know, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'll see you next time on the next one. Goodbye.